the army ant. This may look like a ball of 1 million individuals, but make no mistake, the colony acts as one. A superorganism with a sensory system of 2 million antennae. A skeleton made from the living bodies of workers. A defense system of soldier ants, ready to act at any sign of danger. A digestive system processing piles of food deep inside. Even a coordinated system for dealing with all the waste. The irony is that this, the most successful hide-and-seek player in the forest, is almost completely blind. It distinguishes the living only by their movement. As long as an animal remains still, it is safe, but the slightest twitch will give it away. Within seconds, the prey is pinned down. Within minutes, it's torn apart at its joints. The more the prey struggles, the more the ants engage. Right across the raid front, prey of all sizes are driven from their hiding places. Even wasps must abandon their homes when the ants arrive. Everything alive in the path of the raiders, overwhelmed by sheer numbers. The army has found one of its chief targets, a colony of a different kind of ant. They lock jaws with the black ants and leap from the tree to take them out of the battle. Casualties on both sides rain down from the canopy. The spoils of the ant war are carried along trails leading back to the main colony. Other lines are fresh from other victories. Hide and seek, game over.